this video, we will be covering reports. On the side menu, choose Reports. When this window opens, you will have 3 tabs. At the top, starting with the Summary Reports, you can break it down by account, service, users, and a date range. Next is Activity Reports, which is broken down by account, service, users, and refill, and also the date range. Reconciliation reports are canned reports for the meter or QPF. All reports can be exported by running the report and choosing the Export Download option at the bottom of the page.